In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go presentation mode in your Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop doesn't include a dedicated presentation mode, but we can get very close by decluttering the interface and focusing on the report canvas. This approach is great for demos, quick walkthroughs, or presenting directly from desktop without switching tools. Start by maximizing the Power BI desktop window so it fills your screen. This gives your report the most real estate and instantly reduces distractions around the work area. Next, head to the View tab at the top. Here, you'll find controls for which panes are visible. Turn off the panes you don't need for presenting, so you show as little as possible beyond the report page itself. Typically, that means hiding things like the filters, selection, and bookmarks panes if they're visible. The idea is to remove any authoring tools you wouldn't want your audience to see while you're talking through your visuals. With the optional panes hidden, minimize the remaining panes on the right side. These are usually the visualizations and data-related panes. Click the small collapse arrows to tuck them away. You're not deleting anything, just reducing them so your canvas takes center stage. You can always expand them later when you return to editing. Now, minimize the ribbon to free up even more vertical space. Look for the small carrete on the ribbon area and click it to collapse the ribbon. This keeps all the commands out of sight while still letting you bring them back instantly by clicking any tab when you need them. Finally, still on the View tab, open Page View and choose Fit to Page. This setting scales your report page so the entire canvas is visible at once, which is perfect for presenting. Instead of scrolling or zooming, your audience sees a complete, clean layout that's easy to follow. If you need to spotlight a specific visual, you can temporarily zoom in, but Fit to Page is the best starting point for a distraction-free overview. And there you go. It might not be a dedicated presentation mode, but these tweaks get you remarkably close, giving you a tidy, focused view that looks professional and keeps the attention on your insights. When you're done presenting, just expand the ribbon, restore the panes you hid, and switch away from Fit to Page if you prefer another zoom level for editing. That's all. Simple steps that make a big difference when you're showcasing your work right from Power BI Desktop.